Power and Utilities Australia is the first event to focus on the entire value chain from end to end. We look at the opportunities and challenges from generation on through transmission and distribution right up to retail, and we have no bias towards any particular generation technology. This is an industry going through an unprecedented transformation as it transitions from sole reliance on traditional sources of power to renewable or intermittent power. The rapid introduction of renewables into the system means that the industry can no longer operate in the silos of the past, but rather now needs to take a whole of system or holistic approach. Power and Utilities Australia is the forum for discussing the strategies and solutions to meet these new challenges. The organizing theme of our event is the correct energy mix and how to arrive at an acceptable consumer price. And along with the focus on the proper mix will be discussions focused on the need to upgrade the grid and the adoption of digital strategies to create more favorable customer outcomes. The event will feature a strategic conference where industry leaders will discuss at the highest levels strategies and frameworks to meet current challenges and to build on opportunities being presented to them. We have a diverse group of 30 leading industry voices speaking, including some of the industry's leading CEOs. On our exhibit floor, we will feature 3 theaters: generation, transmission and distribution, and digital transformation. These theaters will be free of charge to qualified industry participants and focus on the solutions necessary to implement the new strategies. We are pleased to have more than 70 speakers in these theaters, and these sessions will be an opportunity for a deep dive into the practical matters needed to meet today's challenges. Our speakers include top experts in their areas of focus. On our exhibit floor, we will feature 3 theaters: generation, transmission and distribution, and digital transformation. These theaters will be free of charge to qualified industry participants and will focus on solutions necessary to implement the new strategies. We are pleased to have more than 70 speakers in these theaters, and these sessions will be an opportunity for a deep dive into the practical matters needed to meet today's challenges. Our speakers include top experts in their area of focus. And speaking of the exhibit floor, there'll be a mix of more than 100 exhibitors from across the industry spectrum featuring some of the most innovative and exciting products and solutions for the entire industry value chain. We are excited to have some of the industry's leading names participating. We are also pleased to announce some exciting new features, including roundtable discussions focused on critical industry issues, each hosted by an industry expert. Networking lounges, where you can catch up with your industry colleagues and network with your peers in one of the several networking lounges on the show floor. We'll have a technology and innovation zone, where cutting-edge presentations providing technology solutions and innovations can be heard. In our Initiate Startup Zone, you can meet some of the latest startup companies bringing disruptive technologies to the energy sector. It promises to be an exciting 2 days, so I invite you to our registration page at powerandutilietiesaustralia.com and choose the registration type that works best for you. Look forward to seeing you in August.